Okay, hi, this is Tom with Pure Water Power, and I have a Little Beast dual RO water purification cart. This is set up with 250-foot hose reels that are an add-on to the purchase of a Little Beast cart. What I'm going to show you here today is how to inline these hose reels to the system without having to hook up the hose reels to that outlet right there. So it'll be all done internally. So this is only needed if you're going to run 2 hose reels. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and install a ball valve so you can run both of those hose reels. So I've installed the hose reels onto this unit, and as you can see where that white fitting is, that is the outline of the DI filter. That goes from the DI outlet to the water out fitting on the system. So this is the ball valve that you are going to have to install. It has 2 swivel fittings and then 1 straight fitting, and we'll install this right now. So okay guys, so this is the stock configuration of the Little Beast system. It has your filters. This is the last filter in the unit, the DI, which is an outline here that goes directly to your outfitting. So I'm going to show you how to plumb multiple hose reels to this system. If you were just going to mount one hose reel, this is the line off the hose reel that I've installed. It would just plug in directly to this T-fitting, and then that will plumb your hose reel directly. But I'm going to show you how to hook 2 hose reels up and have the function to, or the ability to operate one or both of these hose reels at the same time. So this is the ball valve fitting. It's a T valve with a ball valve built into it, and I have 2 swivel fittings. They're all 1/2-inch connectors, push fitting connectors. The 2 swivel ends will go to the 2 hose reels, and the stationary fitting will go directly to this white fitting. So this is what comes with the kit. You'll get this ball valve assembly and a length of hose, and each hose reel kit comes with 4-foot stretches of this 1/2-inch tubing, and we make them longer so you can mount the hose reel wherever you want to on the unit and then come back and configure and cut these to fit. So I have 2 hoses, one from each hose reel. I've already pre-cut them. And this ball valve, you just take this hose, push it into the stationary fitting, and then remove the existing blue hose from this fitting that goes to the outlet. You could discard this or keep it here just in case you want to go back to the original configuration. But this is your out TDS reader. So you just connect this valve directly into that outlet. So now your DI water is exiting this filter and going into each hose reel. So you need to figure out which hose reel. One hose reel will always be used when the unit is on, and then the secondary hose reel will be operated with this. So you need to figure out which reel you want to have as your secondary. So in this case, this is my main hose reel, which is the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and just hook that into this fitting, and then the secondary hose reel I will connect to that fitting, and this will tuck nicely right in there. So now when you turn the system on, you don't have to hook up anything to this outlet fitting. It's been bypassed. So now you're running through the system with your hose reels. So you turn the system on, it's going to feed through here and go to the #1 hose reel always. When you want to add a second or third user to the second hose reel, you just flip this lever open and that will feed the second hose reel. So that's basically all that's needed. When you buy a hose reel kit, it comes with the fittings, and when you buy this ball valve, it comes with everything you need to convert this unit to dual hose reels. If you have any questions, you can check out our website, www.purewaterpower.com. And other than that, you have a great day. Thank you.